Mastering Gout, a complete guide to relief and wellness. What is gout? Discover the story behind gout, an arthritis form causing sudden, intense joint pain. Uncover the role of uric acid in triggering inflammation and crystallization, laying the groundwork for a deeper understanding of this condition. Risk factors. Navigate through the various factors influencing gout onset, from genetics to lifestyle choices. Recognizing these contributors empowers you to take control and build a proactive defense against gout. Symptoms and diagnosis. Learn to recognize the distinct symptoms of gout and understand the diagnostic process, ensuring swift and accurate identification for informed decision-making. Gout triggers. Explore the triggers that can prompt gout attacks, empowering you to actively manage and mitigate these factors. Complications. Dive into potential complications of untreated gout, emphasizing the importance of early intervention and sustained management. Treatment and management. Master the holistic approach to managing gout, combining lifestyle modifications and medications to alleviate pain, reduce inflammation, and maintain healthy uric acid levels. Dietary insights for gout. Unlock the power of dietary choices in gout management. From foods to avoid to those with potential benefits, we'll guide you in making informed and sustainable choices for relief. Prevention strategies. Proactively adopt lifestyle changes to prevent gout attacks. Our comprehensive strategies encompass dietary modifications, hydration, weight management, and overall well-being. Living well with gout. Navigate daily life with confidence using practical tips for effective management, ensuring a positive outlook on your journey with gout. Personal stories and insights. Connect with the real experiences of individuals who have faced and managed gout. Their stories offer valuable insights, inspiration, and practical wisdom. Conclusion. Conclude your exploration of gout with key takeaways. Embrace early diagnosis, proactive management, and lifestyle adjustments for a life with fewer disruptions from gout.